Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Anirudh. Today I'm going to show a program which I made that is April Fool's prank. Yesterday was April Fool's, so I pranked my grandfather. So I'm gonna talk about my code and explain how does it do and etc etc. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna install some packages, which is Flask, Ngrok, and Flask COS. So I'm using Ngrok to host the website. Yeah. So let me run this. We'll install the Flask and Grok and COS here. Okay, now it's installed. Then I'm going to make some directories and yeah. Okay. Then I'm gonna write main.html. So this is a file. Um, So it will ask for the camera permissions. It should run on HTTPS. If it's on HTTP, I think the browsers, yeah, Microsoft Edge won't let to use the camera. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. So okay, I'm gonna write some CSS over here. Hmm. Then I'm gonna put a container. Input video means the original feed and output canvas. I'm gonna use Google's media pipe. So in Google's media pipe, you can. I'm just going to do a face mesh. You can check media pipe at mediapipe.dev. I think that's what it said. Yeah. So I'm gonna when you click the button scan, I call the function upload photo here. I'm gonna create a canvas called canvas. Yeah, we can read it. So you can find my source code. It's in GitHub, techwithaniruddh/GitHub. Yeah, I'm gonna share the code and link in the description. If you want, you can just run that. And yeah, it says if you click the button scan, this is a class scan. So let's say a face match, enter your name to show the details. It'll ask your first name, your last name, your job, and your email address. And yeah, I'm gonna if it's submit, I'll just submit it to the server, post it to the server. And here I'm gonna um, set video. I'm gonna set the variables. So this function hide will hide the elements. Show will show the elements. Let's see. And then I'm gonna this is the upload photo function, which will actually upload the photo. It's very yeah. So I'm gonna set up a URL variable called URL. I'm gonna convert the canvas element to a URL, basically for URL. Then I'm gonna get the container. I'm gonna post XML HTTP request. That's like request dot post or yeah, it's like request dot post and get. So you can do like that. Request dot open. I'm gonna set it to post mode to post. I'm gonna post it to the user image. Then I'm gonna send the data, basically for data. Then I'm gonna hide the container. The container has the live feed and the what is it face mesh. So I'm gonna show scan. I show the scan, right? Div scanned. So I'm gonna create the cam. I'm gonna create the face mesh. And I'm gonna create the camera. And I'm gonna hide the scan when it's the starting of the code. So camera that start when the page loads, I'm gonna start the camera. This is called payload.html, and over here I write some CSS. So if when in so it's gonna say it's gonna get your image which main.html captured and your name, your job, your email, and it says your banking data has been leaked. Pay $100 or 10,000 rupees on Bitcoin to remove the data and remove malware from your mobile. And when you click continue, it executes prank. So prank redirects you to the prank. And so here I'm gonna write in prank.html. I'm gonna write CSS. Ooh, okay. And wait a minute. Oh, yeah. So what I'm doing is actually creating bubbles. Oh, so I'm gonna create the bubbles over here, and if you click continue, it'll say or not happy April Fools, and it'll say it'll put a GIF. You can check that out, and it's gonna put my tech with another logo over here. So it's gonna move the GIF and my tech with another logo. Yeah, that's it. And JS check will check if the JavaScript is enabled, and this is going to get the what is it, funny GIF which I was talking about. And this is my Flask application. I'm gonna import Flask and Xerox and Flaskos. I think I don't need Flaskos. Yeah, I'm gonna import ipython.display and sys b64 and pil and iore and regex and requests. So B64 will convert the B64 to a PIL image. I'm going to get the IP. You can just remove that if you want, and just remove this and put this. You can just delete it. So it will be the homepage. Then you will actually enter the template, render me.html. Then you can get username. Just separate all the data. First name, last name, job name, email address, full name. It will just set it full name, and yeah, uh, capitalize it, and yeah, it'll print it, and it'll give all the data to payload.html, and it'll send the image, send the image. Then in prompt, it's going to open funny.txt, and it'll send the GIF URL and get user image. Yeah, it'll just save the image. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.